Hi, I'm Yannick, and today I want to show you our new option in the CADmatic for reproduction of parts. Having to reproduce parts is expensive and annoying. It costs a lot of time, money, material and nerves. But it's also inevitable that we'll need to do some reproduction. It could be because of errors in the decor, for example, or we see a curve because there is tension in the material, or maybe we have forgotten to switch on the scoring saw during the production and we have damaged the edge, or we make a mistake when we handle parts and damage them in the following processes. In the past, we had to collect all the labels of these parts or write down a list on the notebook and somehow get the information back to the production area. With our new option, parts can be easily collected in a list during the cutting process. If we only realize in the follow-up process that a part needs to be reproduced, we can identify it by using label information, for example. The part can be selected and added to the list using the run name and the part number. All parts in the list can now be transferred collectively to the optimization. For example, CutWrite, IntelliDivide or CutPlan. Then you will have a new cutting plan that can be sent back to the saw for production. As you can see, reproducing parts in the future will be fast, easy and error-free. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact us.